Now let's move on to the second challenge, which is allow your smart contract to buy large coffee for 0.003 Ethereum and create a button on the front end website that shows a buy large coffee of for 0.003 Ethereum. Let's see if we required to change anything in his smart contract. I don't think so, because the function don't have any limit or anything like that. So we just need to make changes in the front end. Now let's do the changes here. Now let's uh, create a button and name it big coffee for 0. Ethereum by big coffee.